Well, Nvidia shares taking another hit today after Citi cut its price target on the chip maker to $575. That's down from $630 a share. We're looking at losses of just about 3.5%. The company, though, Citi did maintain its buy rating on Nvidia. Now, Citi wrote, quote, "We believe the scope of the new performance density thresholds will make it difficult for Nvidia to sell to China." Certainly some cause for concern there, just about exactly what that means for Nvidia's business going forward. We mentioned the fact that the company, though, still has that buy rating. They did cite a, quote, secular AI growth, which remains in the early innings. Some of the reason why they do see upside potential from where Nvidia is trading today, right around $425 a share. But again, this just points to the crackdown from the Biden administration, what it means for so many of these companies with exposure to China, specifically some of the headwinds that are now facing the chip sector here, Brad. And when you take into account what Citi is saying here, saying that they believe that there's a low likelihood of the U.S. government granting export licenses to Nvidia, that's the big reason why they lowered their sales estimates for the fiscal year of 2025 and 2026.
Yeah, exactly right here. And as you think about some of what this de-risking looks like, low likelihood of U.S. government granting export licenses. You mentioned the kind of cross-border implications here for anyone who is trying to bring online to the capacity that they've been able to deliver thus far, any more of that intellectual property, deliver that to the demand environment. But they also believe the new scope of the new performance density thresholds make it difficult for Nvidia to sell to China, requiring more the networking modifications that it made on prior China products, notably the A800 and the H800 as well here. So that really being factored into some of their de-risking and China data center sales projections here that they're moving forward with. Shares right now, they're down by about 2.8% here for Nvidia, and we'll continue to track them, of course, leading into that all-important week where some of those semiconductors report earnings later on during the quarter here. But as of right now, it has been one of the runaway stories here for AI and next to Nvidia over the course of 2023.